Have you ever wondered, wait, why did I even spend $10 on that again? Swipe, tap, scroll, the same small charges sneak out, then stress hits. In today's video, we'll uncover 7 monthly money drains that cost you peace, not just paychecks. These sneaky habits hold you back, and you can fix them starting today. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Money Habits Revealed. Today, let's talk about things we keep paying for, but never really use. Tiny costs, big impact, and the best part? One small change can lead to all kinds of freedom. Now let's begin with item number 1. Unused app subscriptions. The sneaky one. You signed up for something useful, life got busy, and now it quietly auto-renews every month. Ask yourself, do I actually use this? Suggestion: review subscriptions every month, keep what you use, cancel the rest. Item number 2. Daily fancy coffee. Feel-good trap alert. That $5 latte can cost you $150 a month. Better approach? Make coffee at home or buy regular. Your wallet and self-care wins. Item number 3. Impulse delivery fees. You impulse buy late at night, then pay for delivery you didn't need. Do this. Wait a day before buying. Build your cart, then check out once. Item number 4. Unused gym membership. That gym membership you use once in a blue moon, it might cost $30, $60 a month. Do this. If you're not using it fully, cancel it. Use free alternatives. Walking, home workouts, nature, or apartment stairs. Item number 5. Eating out too much. Delivery dinner here, snack there. It all adds up. $200 or more every month. Do this. Start cooking. Just one more meal per week. Bonus: builds confidence, not just savings. Item number 6. Unneeded insurance or warranties. Peace of mind costs, store warranties, extended insurance, 5 to 20 month, forever. Better idea. Build a self-insurance emergency pot instead. Each month, save $10 and sleep better. Item number 7. Credit card interest. Carrying balances? You're paying interest on your own money, and it adds up. How to break free. Focus on the highest interest card first. Celebrate each piece of debt you pay off. You might wonder, why does this matter? Here's what happens when you stop these tiny leaks. More clarity about your spending, more control over your money, more peace with your choices, more confidence in your financial abilities, real financial freedom. Now let me give you your simple action plan. No overwhelm. Pick one category: coffee, apps, or food. Track that for 30 days. Pause before spending. Do I really want this? Redirect savings into self-care or emergency funds. Don't spend it again. Tell a friend what you're working on. It helps you stick. Celebrate each little win, like, I skipped that $10 charge. Now let me tell you my personal story. I was just like many people, maybe just like you. Every month, I worked hard. I paid my bills. I tried to be responsible. But still, my bank balance felt like it was slowly shrinking. Like water slipping through my fingers. I had 2 streaming subscriptions, one for movies, one for documentaries. They were only $10, $15 a month. Not a big deal, right? But here's the truth. I barely used them. Maybe one movie a week. Sometimes not even that. But they quietly renewed every month. That's $30 gone, without even thinking. Then there was the coffee. I told myself I deserved that fancy latte every morning. It helped me feel put together, gave me energy, made me feel like I was treating myself kindly. But one coffee turned into 2. Some days I'd grab a muffin too. What started as a $5 habit grew into $150+ a month. And food delivery? Let's not even go there. I'd get home late, tired, unmotivated. Ordering in felt like survival. But those delivery fees, service fees, and tipping made one small meal cost $25 or more. It felt innocent, convenient, but it came with a quiet cost I didn't notice until later. The moment everything hit me, it wasn't dramatic. I simply opened my banking app just to check something. And there it was, Line after line of transactions. Tiny ones. But they stacked. My balance looked sad, not broken, not bankrupt, just low, quietly bleeding. I sat there, staring at it, feeling a strange mix of guilt, confusion, and frustration. I hadn't bought anything big. I hadn't splurged on clothes, trips, or gadgets. But my money was gone, leaking out like a faucet that never turned off. That was the moment I knew something had to change. Not next year. Not after the holidays. Not when I get a raise. Right now. The power of one small pause. That same night, I opened all my accounts. Streaming services? I canceled one. I kept the one I actually used weekly. Coffee? I bought a travel mug and decided to make my own at home. Delivery? I started building a grocery list and cooking 2 easy meals a week. No chef skills. Just eggs, rice, chicken, and frozen veggies. I didn't go all in. I didn't throw out my cards or delete every app. I simply chose one thing to fix at a time. And that small pause, it gave me something I hadn't felt in a long time. Control. That first week, I saved 45s. Not life-changing, but I felt different. Lighter. Freer. More confident. Month by month, I changed. The next month, I added a second change. I paused before each online order. No more buy now late at night. I made it a rule. I had to sleep on it. If I still wanted it tomorrow, fine. If not, I deleted it. To my surprise, most of the time I didn't want it the next day. By month 3, I started tracking my daily spending on paper. A little notebook. Just 1 sentence a day. Spent 7 hours on lunch. Felt stressed. Didn't buy that $30 thing online. Felt proud. It wasn't about judgment. It was about awareness. Each month, the weight on my shoulders got lighter. The money in my account, it stopped disappearing. I could breathe again. I stopped saying I'll be better next month. That voice in my head, the one that said, "You'll figure it out later," started to disappear. Because now I was figuring it out, not through giant changes, not by becoming a budgeting master overnight, but by pausing, thinking, choosing. I realized that it wasn't about being perfect. It was about being honest with myself. I asked, do I really need this? Am I buying this because I'm bored, tired, sad? Would future me thank me for this? These questions became my guide, and that small shift, it changed everything. I didn't expect it, but one small decision, to cancel that one subscription, sparked a ripple effect. I went from feeling out of control to empowered, from embarrassed to proud, from paycheck to finally saving again, even just $100 a month. That shift gave me room to dream again, to stop surviving and start choosing. You deserve the same. You are not bad with money. You are not weak or lazy or broken. You are simply stuck in a system that never taught you how to pause. A system that profits when you act fast, spend more, and numb your stress with stuff. But you can change that, starting with one small thing. You deserve a budget that supports you, not drains you. Your money should feel like a friend. It should support your dreams, not hold you hostage with regret. You should feel safe, not scared. Clear, not confused. Proud, not ashamed. And you can get there. Not by flipping your life upside down, but by taking one brave step today. You deserve peace, not regret. Regret is heavy. It steals your joy. It whispers, "You always mess this up." But peace? Peace feels like sleeping well at night. Smiling when you open your bank app. Saying yes to things you care about without worrying about what you'll sacrifice. That's what's waiting for you on the other side of small decisions. You don't need a huge reset. You just need one small change. Start where you are. Maybe cancel one app. Maybe skip the coffee shop twice this week. Maybe wait 24 hours before your next online order. Maybe track one category this month, like takeout or delivery fees. That one change, that's your key. That's the beginning of your new chapter. Let this be your moment. You don't need permission to change. You don't need a perfect budget, or the best planner, or a financial degree. You just need to start. Pause. Breathe. Choose. Your money is your tool, not your enemy. Your habits are flexible, not fixed. Your journey is just beginning, and you're not late. Today is the day you change the story. Say it with me, I deserve better. And then prove it, with one small, bold step. Freedom isn't far away. It's just on the other side of awareness. Let's go get it. If this video helped you, here's what you can do next. Share this with a friend who's ready for change. Comment below, which cost will you stop this month? Subscribe for more habits that heal money and mindset. Remember, freedom starts with one step. Let's take that step together.